blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Gon' fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and welches grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we.
Hey, good afternoon, beautiful people. I hope everybody out there staying safe, staying healthy, you know, keeping a cool head and all that. Well, today is May 21st, and for those who don't know, today was the day that Notorious B.I.G was born. So I woke up this morning in honor of his birthday, started listening to some of his old songs like Hypnotized and Big Papa and all that, and he said something in one of his songs talking about some T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and welches grape. So got me kind of. So in honor of my man Biggie's birthday, we about to cook some T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and welches grape. So we got your T-bone right here, beautiful. About a half a pound T-bone steak. We got some eggs. We're gonna do some cheesy eggs right here. We got Land O'Lakes white American cheese. I know it's kind of ghetto, but this stuff slamming right here. Don't sleep on this stuff. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes on medium-high heat. Let it get dark on one side, get a nice little crust. We're gonna add a little bit more butter on the side. Drop in some garlic. Right on the side there. And we're gonna put some thyme. Now this is gonna enhance the flavor and the smell of the steak. Now we're gonna check if it got a little crust on it. If it got a little crust on it, we're gonna flip it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. See that nice crust? I normally like mine around 135 to 140 degrees. Alright, so we got our steak right where we want it at 135 between 140 degrees. We're gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. While this thing is resting, we're gonna get started on our cheesy eggs and our toast. Alright, so now we got our eggs. We're about to make cheesy scrambled eggs. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna beat this up. A lot of you know how to make cheesy scrambled eggs, but I'm gonna just show you the way I do it just in case y'all wanna try my recipe. Beat that up. We're gonna add some garlic powder. Got about a quarter cup of whole milk. And I'm gonna throw in some of this Land O'Lakes white American cheese. This stuff hits truth right here. Alright, these eggs are done. Throw this on our plate. I'm about to plate this up right here on the good china. See, my girl said we ain't allowed to use the good china, but Biggie's birthday, goddammit. I'm gonna use the good china. We're gonna throw some eggs on there. Now we got our cheesy eggs. We got our welches grape toast. Now all we need to do is get this beautiful steak on our plate. So we about to slice this up. Look how juicy that is. Get this in focus. I'm gonna try me a piece. Look at that. Alright, now I'm about to dig in. Alright, now before we dig in this beautiful food, I'm about to take a shot in honor of the life of Biggie Smalls. Rest in peace, Biggie. Now we eat. Here we go. Let me see what these eggs hitting for. I'm gonna give it a try. It's good. Try this piece of fatty steak. That was delicious. Now I appreciate you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And hit the notification button. If not, just do it for Biggie. In honor of Biggie, like and subscribe to this channel, and you'll see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.